In this video, we'll be giving a quick overview of Journey Builder. Let's dive in. Here we are on the Journey canvas, where we can drag and drop activities to build and optimize engaging experiences for customers. Here at the top of the Builder panel are all our entry source options. The entry source is where we choose the audience and method of entry into the journey for our contacts. These include scheduled batch entries as well as various forms of triggered entry events, such as when a purchase is made or a service case is closed. In our demo here, we have a data extension set up as our entry source. Journey Builder can send messages across a wide range of channels, including email, a variety of mobile message types, and chat messages. We can even include ads. We've started our journey with a welcome SMS message. And here are our flow controls. These allow us to build logic into our journey and orchestrate different experiences for each customer based on many factors. For example, we can use an engagement split to route customers based on whether they opened or clicked on prior messages. Or we can use decision splits, like in our example here, to route each customer to the most relevant path based on the data we know about them. In this case, we're looking for customers who live in California. The remaining contacts will exit the journey. Not sure yet what the most effective strategy will be? Use Path Optimizer to experiment with class-leading A/B or multivariate tests across entire paths of the journey. Automatically promote the most engaging path as the winner and suppress less effective paths for future customers. Let's add Path Optimizer to add experimentation into this journey. Let's have our test run 2 different emails and see which one has a better open rate. After 3 days, the email with the best open rate will automatically be determined the winner. Let's add our 2 test emails. Customer journeys are more intelligent than ever with Einstein capabilities built right into Journey Builder. Let's incorporate Einstein's send time optimization. This will use AI to deliver the message at the time our subscribers open their messages. Let's have Einstein apply this to a push notification. Manage the entire connected customer experience, even beyond marketing, by incorporating integrated Sales Cloud and Service Cloud activities. Automatically open a support case, update a contact record, or even trigger a follow-up from an agent at critical points in the journey. From simple to complex journeys, use Journey Builder to connect and optimize all moments big and small, and everything in between, for your customers.